first draft of where I might start the trail. And you see those two trunks there, or logs there, as a possibility of starting riding there. Intentionally, I stayed away from the porta potty, give the porta potty a little privacy, no trail going right by it. And it'll probably, I'll get some input from several folks who have some trail building experience, but we'll try to meander and curve around interesting trees, shrubs, and logs, and keep in mind the trees that are coming down. We thought there was a few of them that were coming right down through here. These will all be cleaned up with either Jeff's group or with other volunteers. Of course, you can see the fence over towards the right. We'll not get too close to that, but meander around. This kind of gives us an idea as far as how long the trail might be, and give us some idea on the distances, and so how much rock we would need. So I thought I'd wind over to the left of this, and once again we might put in more curves to try to keep the elevation gain down. So we could end up going right through this area and move these. I like curving around this common juniper here on the right, and this kind of a large stump here of driftwood looks like. We have some nice large pine trees here to our left that we probably will need to get up and pull off stuff from up above. An old fort from up there from years gone by. There's some interesting trees up here. This is a path that has been here for years, and we may suggest we do one of the gravel dumps right here halfway up the hill, so we don't have to load everything all the way up the hill. Got a grouping here of Doug fir in the aspen, a little bit of a shady area. And one of the goals was make it so that it was stroller friendly, so they could come up this way and then go back down the straight path. Going up the straight path, very efficient, but not as interesting. We could do some meandering around a few trees here before we get to the very end. And we're coming up on that left turn on the main path, and we could just tie in with that. Right about here we could put, a handful of 4x6s going across for a little bridge, and maybe make it 42 to 46 inches wide, so that somebody could easily take a stroller or other methods through there. This path here is holding up well, so maybe something like this. Couple suggestions were granite fines, road base. This may be road base, or 3/4 inch granite. A lot of those types of crushed rock or granite cost about the same. So that's our path, and let me know what you think.